The main objective of Sit and Study are educational and experiential. That we design this workshop the students to make like the fundamental of the food and beverage operation, and also we think that they can hands-on the practical for fun way. There are three mentioned that we need to know that the theory, the fundamental of the food and beverage, two the experiential, and also thing is like fun with learning.
More than this one is have the name of the cocktail, anything, the beverage that you need to put.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to everyone who bring me here. I'm really proud to be here, and today I'm sharing about the basic bartender skills and basic alcohol knowledge, and how to create the signature cocktails.
Today we are learning about the food and beverage. They how to make the cocktail, mocktail, and everything. Oh my God, that's so good experience.
Today I study a lot about the beverage and alcohol, the name of that, where it's come from, everything. And also I just want to say to my junior, I just want to say that please guys, this class is very fun about food and beverage. And also thank you to teacher and everybody that enjoy a lot today, and thank you teacher for this opportunity for us. Thank you so much.